Let's make some soft chocolate chip cookies. So first into the mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 sticks of butter. Then I'm going to add 3/4 cups of brown sugar and then 1/4 cups of white sugar. This recipe is from Everything Just Baked and I will add that below. Now I started by using the mixer, but then I decided to just mix everything with my hand. It was just so much easier to do it that way. Now I'm going to add in 1 large egg and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Making chocolate chip cookies has always been an intimidating task for me because I failed at making some cookies and cream cookies. Well, when I saw this recipe, I said I can definitely make this. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Then I mix this all together and then I'm going to take the dry ingredients and add them into the brown sugar and butter mixture. Now I'm going to mix this all together, making sure it is well incorporated, and then I'm going to separate the mixture because I'm making white chocolate chip cookies and regular chocolate chip cookies. Now I'm going to cut up half of the semi-sweet chocolate baking bar. And I know, yes, I'm using my hands. My brother's going to have something to say about that. Then I'm going to add the cut up chocolate to the mixture. And then I'm going to add milk chocolate baking chips to the mixture as well. Now, in the original recipe, he did use 2 separate chocolate chips, and it makes a world of difference when you add the 2 separate chocolates. Now the dough is ready to prepare making the cookies. And yes, here are my gloves. Hope that makes you happy. These were my first time making these cookies and they were for me, so that is why I didn't wear gloves. But if I were making it for someone else, I would wear gloves. Now I'm going to make the white chocolate chip cookies and it's the same process. Cut up the chocolate, add the chocolate to the mixture. But for the white chocolate chip cookies, I only use the white chocolate bar. Now I'm going to add the cut up white chocolate to the dough and then I'm going to make sure it is all well incorporated and then the dough is ready to prepare. Now I'm going to use the scoop like I did before to make these balls for the cookies. Then I'm going to place the cookies in the refrigerator and then I'm going to bake them after about 2 hours. And the cookies are out of the oven. They look delicious. And I'm going to break into the cookies. And you can see how soft that is, how chocolatey that is. Now I'm going to taste the cookie, and it was delicious. I love how I use both of the chocolates. Like I said, it makes a world of a difference. Now I'm going to break into the white chocolate chip cookie. Now, this wasn't as chocolatey because I only used the chocolate bar, but it was just as delicious. Now, if you're looking for a chocolate chip recipe, I would definitely give this one a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.